One-way motor start capacitor, run capacitor have what role? The principle of forward and reverse motor wiring, how do you understand? Today we give you from the principle of wiring, one-way motor why must be installed capacitor? Capacitor bad and how? Our commonly used alternating current is the size and direction of the voltage is always changing. So the magnetic field of the motor is also always changing. We analyze the motor coil, AC current through the motor coil, will produce alternating magnetic field around the coil, only so the motor cannot turn up. To make the motor run, there must be a rotating magnetic field, so what to do? We can add another coil in the motor, that is, we say the rich interference group, and in the coil in series with a capacitor, so that the current flowing through the two coils to produce an angle, the magnetic field can be rotated after the power is turned on. This is where we add the starter capacitor. Let's take a look at the single capacitor motor forward and reverse child schematic diagram. From the diagram we can see that the position of the firewire connection determines whether the motor is forward or reverse. Single capacitor already make the motor run normally, why add another run capacitor? This running capacitor plays a compensatory role here. In motors with large loads there is usually a run capacitor. The start capacitor is disconnected after the motor is running normally, leaving only the run capacitor to compensate. Double capacitor motor has 6 connection points, 2 connection pieces. Let's take a look at its schematic diagram. Here U1 U2 connected to the internal running disturbance group, 21 and Z2 connected to the start disturbance group. There is a centrifugal switch V1, V2, a total of 6 points. We can according to the connection piece of the connection way to control its forward and reverse. Follow us and share more power tips with you.